classroom management. Today's main topic is a classroom management. First one is the definition of the classroom management. Classroom management is an organizational function in which tasks are performed in variety of the setting and resulting in in calculation of the certain values such as the human respect, personal integrity, and self-direction of the group coherence. So, in individual classroom, you know that what is a classroom management, right? So, all have a facility to provide like light, fans, AC, boardwork, benches, and all, right? So, and also to do like a windows and good weather for that. So, classroom management in your like a student group 60 students 45 students to give a best classroom for provide for a good knowledge. Okay. Second one is the dimension of the classroom management. First one is the physical environmental dimension. Second one is the psychological dimension. Third one is the social and cultural dimension. And fourth one is the ethical dimension. So I explain everything. First point is the First point is the physical environment, like a good environment, like a two windows because of the your natural things in your classroom. Second one is the good blackboard, right? Like a black and the green color, and also used to like a PPT and all, right? Second one is the psychological dimension, means attention, how to clearly light also to provide for that. Social and the culture dimensions means all to like a facility available in your college, like a lab and all. Right. So next move to the principle of the classroom management. General principle, self-control and the role model approach for a teachers. Right? Means the professional behavior, professionally too in your like a college. Understanding and acceptation to the student uniqueness. Means the group discussion and the good communication for the all students and all. Realistic and the practical goals of the teaching, right? Means reality to accept like a practical work and the all together work for the your classmates and all. Essential to providing teaching and the learning activities. There are so many activities in the participate in like a mental health day program and the procedures and the sport days all included in the teaching learning activities. Understanding students your like interest and the abilities. Principle of the classroom management. The specific principle of the classroom management appreciate the planning and the classroom management means good weather and the good planning like in entrance like all students to clear for clear like a bench and clear visualization like a PPT and the board work. Encouragement of the students means your teaching way and the writing and also to making notes for a good competition and all. Giving responsibility to learners like responsibility like a good leadership to giving some work and also to like uh, learning so many things, making notes, absent present, leadership like a collecting fund and all, clear guideline for a rules and regulation for the students. Some like the rules regulation for the first year students to making a discipline committee and all committee for the students like a small group to divide for the some work and the reward and punishment for the students activities like some so good activity to participate so all students attempt to give a rank or some activities attempt to give a big prize and all and to divide and also to few words like a good communication for that and the conductive learning environment. Next to the general and the specific management, self-control role model for approach teacher, understanding acceptation. Like a self-control, I already explained it is everything in the table, right? So self-control and the role model for approach teacher. Second one is the understanding acceptation and the students uniqueness. Third one is the realistic and the practical goals of the teaching learning. Fourth one is the exercise and the productive teaching with the learning activities. Or one last one is the understanding students to enters ability. And specific like the same way, appropriate planning for the classroom management, encouragement of the studies, giving the responsibility for that, and the minimum distribution for the teaching planning program. So classroom management problem. What is the problem for that in the classroom? Inadequate line and the ventilation. We have a not provide to good ventilation or light. That time two problem occur. Inadequate furniture and the lack of consistent sitting arrangement. Whenever given not a sitting arrangement properly, that time to not attention for the classroom. Overcrowded classroom means whenever like the 60 students and enter in the full class like 100, that time to the not proper not proper to like a sitting position and also to uncomfortable for all students, right? Inadequate appearance means what? Means not comfortable for a space and all. So its psychology and mentally condition is a like a confusion, lack of routine. That time to like I'm not going like I will not going to college because what? Because there are so many problems having not light, not fans, and not a specific space for that, not providing good knowledge for that, right? These are so many problems in the not particularly classroom. Lack of the adequate distance between the classroom, like not too connected between the two classes because there are two teachers are teaching whenever that time to like a um, voice cancellation means that two people's like a two teachers like both in a class that time to like not audible to students because in second class the student in second class teacher was also too inaudible. And the last second one is the problem of the indiscipline. That time to like a not proper audible, that time to like a misbehavior and all. Poor teacher taught an IPR. So if you're not maintaining a good IPR, right? Like an interpersonal reason, not maintaining that time, what to do? Is a not a good communication for our students, right? Strategy for a classroom management, promotion of the rhythm and the teaching learning activities. So there are so many activities to do and good learning way. Enhancing healthy classroom and custom traditions. You know what is a improve to the your knowledge and all. Promote a positivity in teachers' behavior, right? Means how to behave to teacher and all. Infuse motivation in the students. That time to motivate to the students, encouraging to the participation. Okay. And the role of the teacher in the classroom management means what is the role? Teacher roles means what? Is all to manage students and all everything have a problem to handle teacher. Manager is the fees related to all to problems. So leader to in the classroom collect all activities group participate unified group and all. Philosopher means if have some problem that time to give ideas, right? Mandatory and the guide. So in the research group to give a good work, that time to give a if you have some stuck in your work, that time to give a good matter and the guide for the your way. Researcher to the guide you with a particular topic to how to select statement on the all the types of the like having problem that time to the solve. And the these are a role model. These are the role of the teacher management in the classroom. Thank you.